Okay, something I learned about this diagonation kit, relocation kit. Tighten the 4 bolts to screw in these 2 screws that locks the bracket down. And because the holes won't line up properly, so you got to be real careful. And I had to widen the holes even after I loosened the brackets. So
My full pack, I could put my brake on it, everything. It's perfect for me.
are you sure about that?
Yes, the positive.
Alright. I'm not saying you're sure.
I'll ride it, go all the way to the, are you taping?
I think so.
I ride it all the way to the Florida. I did it. I come back. You drove it.
What was the best part of that trip that you could remember?
Freedom.
Freedom?
Mm-hmm.
It was just riding?
Riding is freedom.
What was the worst part of the trip? And not my accident.
No, not your accident.
Something else.
Cold.
Being
Right.
cold?
You have to wear the right gear.
So what was okay? So that's the learning. That's the lesson.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure if you got your jacket, don't strip it off and
I know.
not take it.
I know. I know, right?
Pack it.
I
If you
know,
strip it
right?
off.
I know, right?
Okay. What else did you learn?
Too much packing.
Yeah, you gotta pack different. Second one. So right gear.
Mm-hmm.
Pack just what you need.
Mm-hmm.
What's up? One more.
I think so. That's it.
You could ride longer, miles now. You know
Yeah.
you know what you could ride now.
4 hours.
4 hours is the longest you think you could go?
Mm-hmm.
On for a full riding hour.
Full riding. Hi, Mr. Andre. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. You put the bike together, everything. It looks good.
You put the bike together.
How you feel about it?
It's good. I think she's ready to go. A few little things, right? But other than that, we got it done. I get to ride a road glider.
Oh, she's so beautiful. It's a nice day to ride it.
What do you think?
It's
How
good.
did they come out compared to before? You see a big difference?
They have a lot of carbon. I like the hair, the same color as
Okay. The, color match.
match with your whole bike. Carbon looks good. And I like your forks.
Oh, the forks?
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
All right.
All right,
Let's go.